property, that is property 8, vector product of two vector product of two vectors product of two vectors in terms of their rectangular component So vector product of two vectors in terms of their rectangular component. And student, you know that vector A, which is what? Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap, and vector B, which is Bx I cap By j cap plus Bz k cap, and we have to find the vector product of these two vector A and vector B. And student, here Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap cross Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. And student, you know that is I cross I, j cross j, which is equal to k cross k, and which is null vector. And null vector, their magnitude is what? 0. But direction is what? Arbitrary. So magnitude of null vector, that is what? 0, and direction is arbitrary. And student, also you know that I cross j, which is what? K, and j cross k, you know that is what? Positive I, and k cross I, that is what? J, and reverse of this, j cross I, that is what? Minus k, k cross j, that is what? Minus I cap, and I cross k, which is what? Minus j. This unit vector formula which we used in this cross product of vector A cross vector B. And student, here I, vector I cross vector I. So I cross I, there will be null vector, and its magnitude, that is what? 0. So we have only written here only magnitude. So that is what? Ax, Bx, and their magnitude, that is what? 0. Now I cross j, that is what? K. So we write here, student, K in bracket Ax By. Next student, I cross k. So I cross k, that is what? Minus j. So I cross k, that is what? Minus j. So we write here minus j, student, and we write Ax Bz. Clear? Now Ay j multiply Bx I cap By j cap plus Bz k cap. Here j cross I. So j cross I, that is what? J cross I minus k. So we write minus k, and that is what? Ay, which is Bx. Next, j cross j, that is what? Null vector, and null vector, their magnitude is what? 0. So here Ay and By, it is also a magnitude. So when Ay multiply by by with magnitude what? 0. So here we write plus ay by and 0. Next student, ay j cap cross k cap, j cap cross k cap, I cap. So we can write here I cap, that is what? Ay bz, ay bz. Next, that is what? K cross I. Next one is what? K cross I. K cross I, that is what? J. So that is what? Unit vector J, and that is what? Az bx. Next student, K cross J. K cross J, that is what? Minus I. So we write minus I, and that is what? Az K cross J, Az by. Next student, K cross K. K cross K, null vector, but its magnitude, that is what? 0. So we write here, that is what? Az bz, and their magnitude, that is what? 0. So this quantity, that is what? Ax bx multiply 0, 0. This will 0 and this will 0. So only we write, that is what? And student, this will what? 0. So only we write here unit vector ax by, and also here, that is what? K. So taking first we write all I cap, j cap and k cap separate term. So where I cap, this will what? This will 0, total 0. So we can write this will be what? 0 plus we write, and I cap, that is what? I cap, that is what? Here I cap. So we write first I cap here, that is what? This term taken to be what? 0 plus we write I cap here common, and I cap, and here I cap also. So common between, so it will be written as what? Ay bz, ay bz minus az by, az by. Now student, K. Now first we take J. This will what? 0. This will what? 0, and this will what? Also 0. So this quantity and this quantity completely 0, multiply by 0. So now take minus J, that is what? Here we take a common. So next, that is what? So student, now we write in upward position. So it can be written as, so here we can write A cross B first, that is what? We have taken I common. This quantity, that is what? 0. So we have write, that is what? 0. So this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. So in next term I will not mention this term ax bx 0, ay by 0, and az bz 0, because their multiplication with 0 is what? 0. So only we write taking common I cap. So first we take I cap common, it comes out to be that what? Ay bz minus az by. Second, we have taken, that is what? Minus j common, here we have taken. So that is what? Minus j we have taken common. So it is what? ax bz and j, that is what? Here minus taken common, so it becomes what? Minus. So that is what? Minus az bx minus az bx. And student, that is Next, that is what? K. K term, that is what common here. K term, that is what taken common. So it comes out to be that ax by ax by and ay bx minus ay dx and ax bx multiply by 0 0, ay by multiply by 0 0 and az bz multiply by 0, that is what? 0, because magnitude of null vector is what? 0. So student, this complete A cross B can be written in the form of determinant. So this is the rectangular component of A cross B. This will be expressed in terms of what? Determinant. So it can be written as, student, A cross B, and suppose this is equation 1, and A cross B can be written as, student, in the form of what? Determinant. That is what? I, J, K, that is what? Ax, Ay, Az, Bx, By and Bz. And student, now I am going to expand this determinant, and after expanding this determinant, answer comes in the same way. Same answer comes out to be that when this determinant is expanded, when this determinant is expanded, we get the same answer which is given equation 1. So how the determinant is expanded? So student, see carefully. A cross B can be written as, see carefully, that is what? Now I cap is taken outside, that is what? I cap. Clear? And this is R1, R2 and R3. This is first row, second row and third row. And this one is what? C1, C2, C3. First column, second column, third column. So this is the determinant of order 3 cross 3. Row 3, there will be 3 row and there will be what? 3 column. So it is said to be that this is the determinant of order 3 cross 3. First row and then column. So this is what? First row, second row, third row. So student, when we take an expansion of this determinant, listen carefully, see it, same answer comes out to be that when we take I outside of this expansion of this determinant. So see carefully, this determinant means what? First column, first row, you hide it. First column, first row, you hide it, and cross multiplication of this one and this one. Same process will be taking place for each case. If we take I, that is what? Outside. So we have to hide. We have to hide first column and first row. And we write AY into BZ. We write AY with BZ minus AZ into BY. AZ into BY. So this will be what? 3 column and 3 row. Expansion of determinant. First we take I and we hide the first column and first row. So multiply AY BZ minus AZ BY. Clear? Next student, we started for plus, minus and then plus. So again we use minus J. Now we take expansion of I, can be taken a hide first column, first row. So AY BZ minus AZ BY. Now first we take I positive, then first positive, then second, that is what? Negative. Now again hide this column and first row and second column. Hide the first column and what? First row and second column. So we write AX BY. Hide this J and this first row and second column. So multiply AX with BZ and AZ with BX. So it is written as what? So hide this and hide this. So we multiply AX BZ and minus AZ BX. So plus I minus J plus I minus J, then what? We take unit vector K. So student, what becomes? So when unit vector K is taken place, so hide this column and this row. So that is what? Multiply this one. So that is what? Hide this and this. We have taken K unit vector, so hide third column and first row. So multiply AX BY BX AY. So it can be written as, student, hide this and this. Multiply AX BY minus AY BX. And student, see A cross B of equation 1 and expansion of determinant. This is the determinant and expansion of determinant. See the answer, AY BZ minus AZ BY minus J cap AX BZ minus AZ BX same plus K cap AX BY minus AY BX, and you will see that expansion of determinant which is equal to the vector product of rectangular vector product of vector A cross vector B, vector product of vector A and vector B in terms of their rectangular component, and this vector product of rectangular component of vector A and vector B, which is shown by the determinant. So this vector product of rectangular component of vector A and vector B can be expressed in terms of determinant, and expansion of determinant, you know that I cap, hide this first column first row, multiply diagonal and minus taking place, plus minus plus, but actually formula that is what? Minus 1 plus R plus C by we have taken first column, that is first column first row, R that is what? Column, R that is what? Row, and that is what? Minus 1, that is what? 1 and plus 1, so that is what? Positive. So here I that is what? Taken to be what? Positive. We use the formula minus 1 R plus C. So I is taken to be positive because we use the formula minus 1 power R plus C. R means what? First row, first column. So 1 plus 1, that is what? Positive. Now we here, that is what? Minus 1 for J, second column. R that is what? R1, and this will be what? C2. It means what? First row and second column. First row first and column second. So that is what? R minus 1 R plus C. 1 plus C, that is what? 2. So that is what? Negative comes out to be that. So we use that is what? I positive, J negative. Next, that is what? When K is taken, which one is what? Minus 1 R plus C for K, that is what? Minus 1. R that is what? First row, column that is what? C1, C2, C3 plus 3. So that is what? Plus comes out to be that. So that is what? We use the formula for I, J, K in expansion of determinant. We use the formula minus 1 to the power R plus C. So we can use this formula to write unit vector I minus J cap and K cap. So vector product of two vector in terms of rectangular component is expressed in terms of what? Determinant. Property, that is property 9. Student, sine of angle between two vectors, and student, you know that if theta be the angle between vector A and vector B, so vector product of two vector A cross vector B, which is written as AB sin theta into unit vector, and if you take a mod of vector A cross vector B vector, so this is the mod of A mod B, which is also a magnitude, but it is written in this manner: mod A mod B sin theta, and its value, that is what? Magnitude of unit vector, and that is what? 1. So sin theta can be obtained. So anywhere if you find the sin theta, so you will use this formula vector mod vector A cross vector B, which is mod A mod B, and last, that is property unit vector perpendicular to the plane of two vector, unit vector n, which is perpendicular to the plane of two vector A and B. So student, vector A cross vector B, we know that AB sin theta, and unit vector n, and AB sin theta, student, can be written as, that is what? Mod A cross B can be written as what? AB sin theta. So this AB sin theta can be written as what? Mod vector A cross mod vector AB sin theta can be written as mod vector A cross vector B, and this is unit vector, and unit vector can be written in this way: formula of unit vector, vector A cross vector B divided by mod vector A cross B. With this formula we can find the unit vector, and this is the complete explanation of the vector product of two vector and its property. Thank you.